This is Lady Claire. Today is January 17th, 2026. Lady Claire presented to being brought inside the barn dominium for end of life moments about 10 to 12 days ago. Her battery hen sister, Madge, who passed away this morning, was also brought in soon after, as well as not from their battery hen house, and yet another battery hen, Emily from Paris, was also brought in. So 3 hens of mine came in at the same time in what I have come to learn to know, beyond think, is the end of life. Emily from Paris and Madge have passed. It's beautiful to see such life go through such stages, and we often read of them with humans as well. And I do believe this is why I share these videos. I do believe this is why heaven does gift me with such moments. In 3. For it was last year, I lost 3 of my sister hens, Olivia, Penny, and Flo. I don't lose a lot of life here on the farm. This is our small hobby farm. These are my pets. They're more than my pets. They're not necessarily even my babies or my children. They're my tribe, my flock, my pack, my posse. Yes, they are my world. I never like to leave the farm. Of course, I have to. I do have a life outside of my flock. And yet what's beautiful for me is that there's no other place I would rather be than with my flock. This is amazing to me with Lady Claire. I cannot explain it. I'm not one who I don't know how to say this, uses the word miracle lightly. I don't go around saying that's a miracle. To me, I learned along my ways that a miracle is a mere shift in our perception, the ways we think of something. Even that's kind of complicated to understand, right? And yet it's so simple. It depends on us to create the miracle. This is a miracle. This is a chicken. She is alive, and not only alive, I have witnessed firsthand something I really never have before. Beyond what I've witnessed with such birds of life dying, going through those final moments of, yes, suddenly becoming more alive and eating again and acting normal. And yet, still there was something about their being that I now have something to compare to, because this is not the same. Lady Claire is not just in her final moments of, coming back to life before then dying in 5 hours, like Madge did and like Emily from Paris, he did. No, Lady Claire is, look at her. I don't even know what's going on. I mean, she is so healthy. Look at her. She's pruning herself and cleaning herself. She's pecking, seeking. She loves the little nest box there. I do have a lid that goes on here really to protect, yes, her from, at this point, she would hop out. But up until today, she didn't even need the top, except that we have cats, and I don't want the cats to mess with them. I did have all 3 of them in here, Emily from Paris and Madge, and now it's just Lady Claire, and she is, it's like she wants to go back outside. And I'm in no way about to let her go back outside now. This is amazing. It's really amazing. I do know I sound crazy. I do. No. Because I understand that that's the ways we're taught to feel without feeling, to rather habitually, automatically know without thought that what we don't understand is crazy. Whoever shares it is crazier. This is not normal. She is a miracle. Cinnamon the hen was a miracle. Not all birds are such miracles. Madge wasn't a miracle. Emily from Perry wasn't a miracle. Cinnamon the hen was. Ghost. The bantam hen was.